Dallas, Texas. A city that offers over 3.4 million jobs and keeps growing and expanding in business. Now also offers hope to thousands of people that are in need of credit restoration. MSI Credit Solutions, one of the fastest growing companies in America, according to Inc. 5000, provides superior credit restoration and comprehensive consulting services that are reliable and affordable. They help thousands of people restore their credit by auditing the credit bureaus and the creditors. At MSI Credit Solutions, there's a team that makes the restoration process a lot easier. The credit consultants, educators, coaches, and guides that help you in the process of credit repair. Client services team, your resource to any information requested, customer assistance, or questions addressed. Management, they help improve the overall experience and exceeding the client's expectations. And the processing team, the research department who files reports, communicates with creditors, and collection companies. This gives you the complete customer support team that you need. The agreement is simple, and the guarantee's worth the money invested. MSI Credit Solutions is currently rated top 10 in the nation, registered with the state of Texas, certified through the Credit Reporting Act, 100% bonded and with 100% money-back guarantee. For more information, visit the website at msicredit.com or call 1-866-217-9841 and improve your financial future today.